Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. Before you replace the bake element in your electric range, be sure to unplug the power cord or shut off the power supply. Have an assistant help you to move the range away from the wall. Use a 1/4-inch socket or nut driver to unthread the screws to release the upper rear access panel. Next, unthread the bottom screw securing the lower access panel to the power cord retaining plate. Unthread the 4 remaining mounting screws securing the panel. Pull the panel up to remove. Now disconnect the wires from the bake element terminals. Next, fully open the oven door and rotate both door hinge locks back. Partially close the door, then lift and pull the door toward you to remove. Slide out the oven racks. Use a large flathead screwdriver to unthread the 2 screws securing the oven's bottom panel. Insert a small screwdriver into one of the screw holes to help dislodge the panel, then lift it up from the rear to remove. Using the 1/4-inch socket or nut driver, unthread the 4 bake element mounting screws. With the screws unthreaded, you can fully remove the old element. Install the new bake element by inserting the terminals through the holes in the rear panel. Thread the 4 screws to secure the element to the base of the oven. Reposition the bottom panel by aligning the front edge first. Rethread the 2 screws. Replace the oven racks. Reinstall the oven door by inserting the door hinges into the hinge slots at a 45-degree angle. Lower the door to its fully open position, then rotate the hinge locks forward. Returning to the rear of the appliance, connect the wires to the bake element terminals. Reinstall the lower access panel by aligning the power cord retaining plate with the slots in the panel. Then hook the bottom tabs on the frame. Fully position the panel and thread the 4 side mounting screws. Replace the bottom screw to secure the panel to the power cord retaining plate. Realign the upper access panel by placing the panel tabs behind the lip of the control panel. Thread the screws. Move the appliance back against the wall. Plug the power cord back in or restore the power supply and your electric range should be ready for use.